kia ora. Let's look at some kupu to do with Te Taiao. Te Taiao, that's the first one, te. Don't forget, it's a little bit dull, the T's in Māori, te. And drop your jaw, because every E you see, it's like the air that you breathe, te. No more T puppers, but I know you know that anyway. Te. Te Taiao. My understanding of that is the tides of the world, which are all the aspects of the environment. Te Taiao, the natural world. Te Taiao. Te Taiao. Te Ika Whenua. Take your time. Share the beautiful 3 words. Te Ika Whenua. I've been practicing not going whenua. That's Kiwi. I've got to go down. Whenua. Whenua. Whakarūaumoko. Notice there's a macron on rū, and rū's the shake. Whakarūaumoko, to cause the shake and the currents. Whakarūaumoko of the whenua. 3 words. Well, whakarūaumoko. Ka pai. Every time you do an O, make sure it's got an R on it, or no more O's. Te Kōhanga. Te Kōhanga. I notice Kōhanga has a macron. Let's really enjoy it before we say hanga. Te Kōhanga. Once again, I'm trying really hard for my T's not to be too T. They're blunt, they're dull, like a blunt knife. Te Kōhanga. Take your time, don't go fast when you say a Māori word. Let the magic of it be heard. Slow it down. Ngā Kaitiaki. Ngā Kaitiaki. Put a kai in front of somebody's title and it's the doer of it. Kai kōrero, kai waiata, kaitiaki. But there's many. Ngā kaitiaki. The plural da. Ngā. Te wheke. Oh, I love those E's in that word now that I know to drop my jaw. Te wheke. Te Wheke Nui. When a Māori word's really short, just flick it. Nui. Te Wheke Nui. Once more, Te Wheke Nui. Take your time, don't go fast. Te Whare Rākau. Te Whare Rākau. There's a macron on that word, Rākau. Te Whare. Once again, there's an E on the end of that word, drop your jaw. E. Te Whare. I know we want to say whare and grin too much because we're chirpy Kiwi, but just drop the jaw, whare. Te Whare Rākau. Te Papa Hui. I notice now when a word's really short, I've got to be careful not to go hui. That was my old style. Now I just flick it off. Hui. English wants to go up, Māori goes down. Te Papa Hui. Kia kaha.